Hello, artist. How are you today? Today is April 3rd. Okay, we are working on our next product, which is the Arteza metallic paints. These mica paints are gorgeous. They are just like an acrylic paint, but they do have mica in them, so they shimmer and shine. If you have any interest in buying any of the Arteza products that I show you throughout this series, definitely be sure to check out that Arteza link. Once you link over into once you click that link, it'll take you right to Arteza. If you purchase through there, Arteza will give me a small commission for my recommendation, and it would be a great way for you to show me a little extra love, and I would appreciate that very much. Okay, so today we are going to be working with Arteza metallic paints. Okay, let's jump down to the table. Okay, now these colors are gorgeous. I know I said that before, but I'm not going to lie. I am in love with them, this turquoise. We're going to play with that one. I'm only going to play with a couple colors as much as I would love to play with all of them. We have a very small work surface here. Let's try that pearl strawberry red. I think that's beautiful. Ooh, this green is a good one. Ooh, that's a dark one. Oh, nope, that's not. That's a regular one. That's a phthalo green. That goes into my other box. Pearl sapphire blue. Beautiful. Okay, well, what do we want to do with these? I don't know. Let's just start by let's just kind of grab a more neutral color here maybe for our background. And we're not going to think about these too much. That's part of this, is just not thinking. That color is the pearl sage green. If we put green with red, we're going to create brown. I don't really want to create brown at this point in time. Is this the color that I just used? Just looking for some different greens. And let's try this pistachio green. Ooh. So, I guess just by pulling the color out, we have kind of dictated what we're going to do here, I guess. So, these are very transparent colors, meaning you can see through them, right? Opaque, you don't see through. Transparent, you do. So we're obviously going to have to build up layers on this. And also that paint is soaking into that watercolor paper very quickly. Again, you have to remember that your substrate does make a difference with this. Watercolor paper is incredibly absorbent. That's already pretty cool though. Look at those dots that I got on there. Now you guys know that we've talked about color palettes before. And I am definitely working with kind of a similar color palette because this is my little book. I kind of want it to feel the same, but I definitely want to be sure that I'm pushing my boundaries. I hope I didn't just put paint all over my face there. We're going to check out blendability. We're going to, see what we can do with all that. There's my stomach. Let's do some of that water sprinkle again. That's kind of cool what happened there. Let's grab this, actually. Since I got this hairdryer sitting here, let's use it. All right, plug your ears. All right, I just realized that you guys have a pretty good glare on this, but that's, you know, the property of metallic paint is that you do get a, you know, that refractiveness to it. So it gives it a lot of glitter. As you know from my other paintings, this is not how I usually use acrylic paint, but it was doing something really special and interesting in here. Again, kind of giving me this deep sea feeling, which I dig. And I was just kind of kept pushing that a little bit. I'm going to let this dry for a bit and see what I think. When I was bringing the rag in, what I was doing was going through all of the layers and pulling up some of that paint through the layers. And it's leaving a really cool texture behind. And then I'm changing the texture as I go from that rough to kind of a smoother texture. And then I'm letting the drips also create its own texture. So this has just been kind of a play on figuring out how to get this paint to look, you know, different instead of just regular thick paint. Layers and layers of paint. It's kind of a cool concept here, and actually I can even accentuate those lines. This is a very crunchy towel, so it does leave some cool texture behind. I think it's really kind of interesting and fun, and that blue right there is so cool. Hopefully we can get a better picture of it for you once it dries. Okay, well, oh, we need a secret word. Our secret word for today is raven, right? So for day 3, our word is raven. Okay, love you guys. I hope you have a great day, and we'll chat soon.